皆さん、明けましておめでとうございます。Happy New Year, everyone. I hope you have entered 2023 in style and are ready for a brand new year. For us, 2022 was a super busy year. In April, we opened the Hakone Gardens, which has been a project of mine that's coming along for many years, so a very exciting event. We moved along to Kumamoto, which is another project that was planned for many years, but we made, I think, the largest installation outside using plants. So really huge, exciting project. Later on, we moved on to Dazaifu Tenmangu, which is one of my favorite places in Japan, to have our fourth exhibition at that beautiful location. And this time the theme was the 20th anniversary of the Flower Box, which we have celebrated over a few years now. And last but not least, we had an amazing installation in Otemachi, at Otemachi 1 building. Really also huge installation. I think it was 3 by 4 meters, so really large, made out of these beautiful flower balls. So all these events and many more was what we worked in 2022. So now we enter the new year, we're in 2023. We already have so many exciting projects in the lineup. Right now we are putting the final touches on our renewal here at the Nicolai Bergman flagship store, and so many exciting events it's gonna come up this year. So I hope you will follow and watch the YouTube channel together with me. Thank you so much and Happy New Year.